moving on to news coming in from Afghanistan, where the proof of Taliban brutality is out on an everyday basis. Every single day we are getting you visuals from Afghanistan, heart-wrenching visuals where executions are being held in full public display by armed militia of the Taliban. They're roaming the streets with RPGs threatening Afghan civilians. Now, Times Now has accessed proof that exposes Taliban's brutality once again. The resistance force in Afghanistan has now taken to Twitter to post this instance where the police chief was allegedly executed by Taliban. He was abducted, kept in captivity, and then executed Talibani style. We'll try and get you details of what exactly is happening there as far as this instance is concerned, but we have seen the visuals of brutality coming to the fore from Afghanistan every single day, every new hour. Unfortunately, these instances come to the fore where public executions are taking place. Pranesh Kumar Roy now with me for more on this. Yes, Pranesh.
Poonam, this is gory and grisly. There is no other way to describe this because over the last 7 days, the videos that have been pouring in from Afghanistan have all been very, very cruel. But this is of a different level altogether because look at the level of brutality. I mean, it is absolutely inhumane to do something like this. The police chief, and reports are suggesting that this happened late last evening, the police chief blindfolded, taken to an isolated location, and then gunned down in front of the Taliban cadre. And if you hear the audio which is going on, people are almost cheering on this bloodbath which is going on, and this comes on a day when the Afghan National launched a massive resistance movement against the Taliban. Perhaps this is Taliban's way of sending a message that, look, if you oppose our rule of terror, this is what we will resort to. And let's not forget that this is not a clandestine killing by any stretch of imagination, because the Taliban commanders have been hunting down the Afghan forces and have been executing them in public. 2 days ago, Times Now had put out a video where Afghan commanders were publicly executed in a stadium. And now this brutal execution of the former police chief is absolutely shocking, and this should serve as an eye-opener for all those people who think that here you have a force which is trying to take over power by peace and dialogue. They are mistaken, and they should end the denial. Poonam.
Absolutely, that denial needs to end, because here in India also, unfortunately, we are seeing some apologists of the Taliban, despite proof of their brutality and their reign of terror coming to the fore with each passing minute there in Afghanistan. It is a living hellhole for not just foreign nationals, but also for Afghan citizens who are now desperate to leave their homeland because they cannot survive under the rule of the Taliban. Stay on with me, Pranesh. Pradeep also with me for more on this. Now, Pradeep, we are seeing the kind of resistance that is coming to the fore, especially from the Panjshir province, which is the epicenter of all those who are now trying to fight the Taliban and claiming that we will continue fighting them until our last breath. But unfortunately, many of them, including this police chief, had to pay with their life.
Yes, Poonam, the one healthy sign is that now the embers of resistance are rising from Panjshir Valley. This is the area where Taliban had not been able to control. We have seen that during the last 2 days there had been several meetings. One of the meetings was held by Amrullah Saleh, Vice President of Afghanistan, where he met Ahmad Massoud, who is son of Ahmad Shah Massoud, who is considered to be lion of Panjshir Valley, who was killed in 2001. And now they, along with the tribal leader, they are going to start a first line of defense that's going to show resistance against Taliban, because Taliban rule is not acceptable to people of Afghanistan because they have already seen their worst and they do not want Afghanistan to be converted into hell because they know what Taliban say they do not do. They do not, in fact, translate their words into action. So they are not ready to trust Taliban. So see what exactly the Zabiullah Mujahid said in a press conference 3 days back, that they will not be taking any revenge and they are going to provide amnesty to the people. Yesterday, Pranesh was interacting with one of the journalists, a woman journalist. She said that when she went to office, she was quite happy that this time Talibans have changed. But nothing of that sort had happened. They are resorting to the same old medieval tactics of moral policing where the woman will not be allowed to move out. Again, they will have to face the brunts of Taliban. Then that woman was asked to go back home, that she will not be anymore needed in office because being a woman, she can't work along with men. So that is the condition right now. And see, here the police chief has been killed, executed publicly in front of the Taliban cadre. And people who are in fact still showering praises, they should see this reality on the ground, because this is not the time to shower praises on tormentors and terrorists like Taliban, because for them the power flows through the barrel of the gun. Anything that flows through the barrel of the gun is terrorism. That can't be good governance, that can't be negotiation, that can't be peace. I think they also need to understand the situation right now in Afghanistan continues to remain grim, because for the last 3-4 days I'm interacting with the people. They are saying that almost Afghanistan has descended.
The situation is grim to say the least, and there are several foreign nationals, several Afghan citizens that want to now leave their homeland, that want to now leave the strife-torn country. For the moment, Pradeep, thank you so much for getting us those details. But also, let's listen into some reactions coming in from Afghanistan.
चेंज हुई है, वहाँ पर भी तालिबान उस सत्ता पर काबिज हुए हैं, तो क्या किस नज़रिए से देखते हैं आप? धार्मिक धर्मगुरु हैं यहाँ पर, किस नज़रिए से देखते हैं घटना को?
देखिए, जहाँ तक तालिबान का ताल्लुक है तो वो एक मुद्दत से 20 साल से तो
With that, it's time for a quick break here on this edition, but lots more lined up for you on the other side as well. Do stay tuned.